Good wishes, students. In this video session, I'm going to explain about the questions which were asked in the recent 2024 NEET exam. Uh, there were three questions which were asked from Haloalkanes and Haloarenes chapter. That three questions I'm going to explain. Please understand. The first question, which was from Haloalkanes and Haloarenes chapter, was this. In this, you can see the question is about the reactivity rate towards an SN1 reaction. Okay, the compound, which of the following compounds will undergo SN1 reaction fastest? Okay, you got four options, and your third option is the correct answer. Okay, if you look at the options, you could able to verify whether it is a primary alkyl halide, secondary or tertiary alkyl halide. If you check at the first option, it is a secondary alkyl halide. Okay, and the second option is an aryl halide. The third option is also a secondary alkyl halide and it's a benzyl type. Okay, and the fourth option is a primary alkyl halide. Okay, so as you know, with SN1 reaction, the reactivity order is tertiary, which is far more greater in reactivity towards SN1 reaction. Okay, so you don't have a tertiary halide in the given four options. Okay, you have secondary halides and other types of halides. Okay, let's cross out the options which are not the applicable answer for this particular question. If you look at the fourth option, it's a primary alkyl halide which will not undergo a faster reactive rate towards SN1 reaction. So I'm enlisting out the option. Okay, so the next option which we could cross is the second option. Okay, which is an aryl halide. Aryl halides does not easily undergo SN1 reaction, so I'm crossing out that option as well. Okay, now if you look at the options, you have first option as well as third option. Okay, so both seems to be primary, but the benzyl, okay, is more reactive towards SN reaction because of the stability of its cation due to resonance. Okay, so if you look at in your textbook, a special detail is given about this thing. Okay, that I will show you. It will be very helpful in understanding. Okay, so because of resonance, you could see there is a high reactivity towards SN1 reactions for both allylic as well as benzylic halides. You could see there is a resonance possible with the benzyl halide, which makes the cation very stable. As a result, it will be more fastly reacting with under SN1 reaction. Okay, so this is the answer for this particular question, and other options are nullified, and this option is also cancelled out. Okay, so this is your right answer. Okay, the next question is, yeah, regarding the preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols. You could see there are two reactions given. The products A and B obtained in the following reaction. The first reaction and the second reaction. You could look at the first reaction, which is with the phosphorus trichloride as the reactant, and in the second reaction, phosphorus pentachloride is used as the reaction. Okay, so you have byproducts coming in both the reactions, so that is what is asked as the answer. And in this question, the third is the correct answer. Uh, and we'll see how third is the correct option. Okay, so you could look at the first reaction. The equation is given as a balanced equation. You could see three alcohols, 3 moles of alcohols giving 3 moles of alkyl halides. Okay, so in which you are using phosphorus trichloride, all the three chlorines are getting satisfied in this reaction itself. Okay, and you have only two products. The main product is the alkyl halide. The byproduct not should not be having any halides. Okay, so the options uh, A and first and fourth, which are having POCl3, POCl3 as options are ruled out or getting ruled out because A cannot be POCl3. Okay, so because already the Cl is getting uh, nullified as a result of balancing. Okay, so now you look at the second reaction. There are five chlorines are used in the reaction, and the reaction is not balanced. That means one of the chloride is here and another chloride is here. There should be three chlorides possible in this particular B as a product. So the optimum options are 2 and 3. Okay, so the difference between the second and the third option is that uh, product, that is H3PO3 and H3PO4. Okay, so now you need to recall the preparation reactions. So that I will show it from your textbook. That is, yes, these are the six preparation reactions which are given in the book regarding the alkyl halides from alcohols, and our particular reactions are given here and here. Okay, so instead of H we are using chlorine. Okay, so these are the products, and if you look at the product, okay, it is H3PO3. So here our correct option is 3. Okay, in this way you can able to identify, you should be able to nullify the incorrect options. As a result, like we could able to zero in the correct option. Okay, so the next question. Yes, this is the next question. It is a two-step reaction. Okay, we need to identify the products. Okay, so the major products A and B formed in the reaction sequence are, okay, the first sequence is a preparation of halide from an alcohol, and the second sequence is elimination reaction. Okay, so you will be knowing like the position of the alcohol and the halides matters here. Okay, so if you look at this reactant, you could see it's a cycloethanol with the methyl group in the second position, and this OH will be replaced by Br. Okay, so if this is the condition, if the OH is getting replaced by Br, the Br will be coming in that position. As a result, the options 2 and 3 are getting nullified. Okay, so option 2 and 3 has both hydroxy and bromine in their structure. Okay, so which is incorrect. So yeah, our options could be either it should be 1 or it should be 4. Okay, so now looking at the second part sequence. Okay, so the first product in the reaction is this. You have bromine in the place of hydroxy group, and you got this as a product. Okay, so now which is followed by elimination reaction using alcoholic KOH. Okay, so elimination reactions undergoes like this. Okay, so this is your alpha carbon, and this is your beta carbon, and this is your beta carbon. Two, if there are two beta carbons are present. Okay, so we'll be following the Zaisov rule. Okay, so which I'm going to show it in your textbook. Yes, so yes, if there is a possibility of more than one beta carbon with beta hydrogen, we have to follow with the Zaisov rule. Okay, and there can be one product which will be more in quantity, that will be a major isomer. Okay, so the rule says. Okay, in the hydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product is that alkene which has greater number of alkyl group attached to the double bonded carbon. Okay, so as a result, when you check out this, you could see there are two possibilities. You can have a double bond over here and double bond over here. Okay, since there is a presence of methyl group here, this is the possibility. The bromine will get out. Okay, so that is why it is called dehalogenation, and an hydrogen is also getting out. Okay, from here. Okay, so this hydrogen is getting lost. Okay, so that's why it is dehydrohalogenation. As a result, you will be getting this as a product, and B seems to be this. Okay, so these are the three questions which were asked from the NEET 2024 questions, which are from haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, hope my explanations were clear. Thank you.